Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing one copy of the TTF and installing Font Forge plus a TTF to SHX converter. Open the font in Font Forge now. You need to check glyph metrics, baseline, and advance widths. Once done, disable kerning and export or generate a working set. Keep only the glyphs you need to minimize SHX size. Make sure to name the glyphs consistently and set the font encoding to match auto CAD expectations before moving to outline cleanup. Now you convert filled outlines into single-stroke shapes. This is the core transformation. In Font Forge, use Remove Overlap and Simplify to reduce nodes, then apply a Skeletonize or Stroke-to-Path plugin to produce centerline strokes. Why? SHX uses stroke shapes, not filled outlines, so this step preserves legibility in CAD. Once the centerlines look clean, export each glyph as SVG or another vector format the converter accepts. Make sure scale and units match your target CAD units. Finally, compile the cleaned vector glyphs with your TTF to SHX converter to produce the SHX file. After compilation, load the SHX into Auto CAD or a CAD viewer and test common strings at the intended scale. Check spacing, baseline alignment, and stroke weight. If characters look broken, reopen the corresponding SVGs to remove stray nodes, close open paths, or rerun skeletonization. One key troubleshooting tip. If a glyph disappears, check for zero length.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.